Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to make a delicious sweet Pongal. It's mostly made up of milk, which gives a really good healthy taste. And it's also made up of rice, and it's super delicious and easy to make. So you're going to add 1 cup of basmati rice, the main ingredient, into a cooker, and you're going to add 1 cup of moong dal. Then you're going to add some water, and you're going to wash them nicely for 2 to 3 times. Make sure they're fully washed because you don't want any dust on them. Then you're going to add 3.5 cups of water to boil it all and get it all nicely mixed and stuff. So you're going to boil it until you hear 2 whistles, or you're going to cook it until you hear 2 whistles. After you hear the second whistle, you can take off the lid and you'll see that it's ready. Yum! So it is perfectly cooked, but our sweet is not quite ready yet. We still need to add a few more ingredients. Like, you're going to add a half liter of hot milk and you're going to mix it together. And this is where it really looks like a sweet. So it's already starting to look like a sweet, but you're going to add another half liter of hot milk and mix it. And you got to use hot milk so that it really mixes and blends up together. I don't think cold milk would have the same effect. Also, cold milk doesn't taste quite as good. So next you're going to cook it for 5 minutes in medium flame. Keep mixing so that all the ingredients get together. But let it rest. And while you're waiting for that, put some ghee in a bowl and you're going to fry some cashews and raisins. These are the toppings and other delicious ingredients for your sweet. Because right now it looks a little plain. It has some delicious sweet flavor into it, but, well, it doesn't really have sweet flavor. Oh, well, now it does after we add the 1.5 cup of sugar and cardamom powder, and it is ready. Add the raisins and cashews, serve, and enjoy. Delicious! It is a great sweet for festivals too. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and try this very delicious sweet. Bye! Thanks for watching!